Good morning, children. Today we will be learning about drawing an object and grouping line with fill. When we make a drawing in Flash, it actually creates two objects, the fill and the outline. Select the pencil tool and select brown as a stroke color. Draw the trunk as shown in the figure. So we are taking it to be a tree trunk. It is similar to the paint option. Choose the selection tool and move the pointer on the tree trunk. A curve is displayed below the arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the lines of the trunk to give a proper shape. Now, children, we have to select the pencil tool and choose the smooth mode from the options selection. Select green as the stroke color. See in the figure as shown. Draw the curves of the tree top as shown in the figure. Now select the green as fill color and then select the paint bucket tool. Click inside the tree top similar to fill brown color in the trunk. Select the selection tool and double click on the tree and drag the tree over the tree trunk. Choose the selection tool and then select the tree by dragging around the tree. Now select modify group option or press Ctrl+C. Now we will be learning about how to apply gradient fill. See the image as we have drawn. Now select the tree top using the selection tool. Select the paint bucket tool as we used to do in our paint. Click the fill color sachet and now drop it. Select the gradient effect. The gradient color fills the shape as we can see in the image. Now drag. Select the trunk of the tree. Choose the Windows color option to display the color panel. Choose either linear gradient or radial gradient from the color type drop down list. Double click on the left pointer below the gradient definition bar. The color palette appears. Select the brown color. Double click on the right pointer and select the orange color. Adjust the color blends of the gradient by moving the pointers closer to each other or farther apart. Select any mode among us extent, reflect or repeat under the flow section to apply the gradient. To add more colors to your gradient, click anywhere on the gradient definition bar. To add a slider pointer, you can then double click this slide to set the color. Click on the drop down arrow on the upper right corner of the color panel bar and select the Add Sachet from the menu. See how it changes, children? It looks beautiful. Click on the small triangle on the bottom right corner of the tree transport and select the gradient transport tool from the tools panel. Click on the object field with the gradient color in it. The boundary shape will appear. Bring the pointer over the center point. Drag the center point is desired direction to change its position and observe the change. See how beautiful it looks now. You can now position the pointer over the width adjustment handle. It will change to double header arrow. Drag the adjustment handle either to the left corner right or increase or decrease the gradient width. This is how you can modify. Position the pointer over the rotation, drag the rotation handle clockwise or anti-clockwise. Accordingly, the image changes.